Weather's supposedly going to change rapidly over the next 24 hours, and I'm just wondering about these shallots. They are starting to yellow on the tips. They're starting to fall over in places. It sort of tells me I ought to get them out and get them in under cover before it does get cold and wet. The onions will just have to take their chances because they ain't nowhere near ready. So I think I'll pull a few and see how we go. Well, I sort of think they're all right. They definitely do need taking up and put them to dry. They ain't going to do anything much more now. They're starting to keel over. Necks are starting to go. So I still don't know. I don't know whether to leave them or not. I might regret it. On the other hand, they might grow a bit more. Really don't know. There you go. Confused. Oh well, only took me 3 hours to make my mind up. I pulled them all out. And I think it was the right decision. Hell of a lot of them, their necks were breaking right over. They ain't going to grow anymore now. All we're going to do is ripe them up so they can go up in the propagator now and dry out. There we go. I'll show you in a minute how many we got. Well, that took a while, but the decision was right to lift them. There was a few rotting there, a few that were on the way. So best thing to do was to get them up. These are banana shallots. I don't know why, because they don't taste like bananas. Ho ho ho. Anyway, that was quite a pleasant little harvest, wasn't it? Look at that. I'll let them dry off now. Out here for a few days. And then they can come on back in to the shed and be hung up in bunches and let them dry. Because these will go for cooking. Can't really pickle these, I don't think. A bit too big. Anyway, here we go. Figaro shallots, 2023. Keep on gardening.